Come on. Come on, bud. Okay, Olive. Okay. Come on, Gray. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. You're doing a good job. No, leave that chair alone. Come on. Come see me. Come see me and Olive. I'll sit. Sit. Hey, sit. No, no, no. Gray, right here, bud. Okay, I'll look out. Look out. All right. You can't chew the chair, so we're going to have to close it. Hey, Gray. Gray.